on, to talk about the maturity gap. I mean, do you see, or do you believe that there is a growing maturity gap between those leaders and the laggards in AI adoption? And is this something that is temporary? Do you see it widening over time? And if so, what implications might that have for the industry?
Sure. David, this is by saying I'm not an analyst or industry expert. I've been
Sure.
with CData since 2014, since inception. So we have a very specific view of the industry. But I think there's definitely a growing maturity gap between leaders and laggards. I mean, I read a McKinsey study some time ago that said that those companies, that have built out leading AI capabilities are outperforming, the laggards by like 2 to 6 times or something like that. So, I mean, I think that kind of performance has a lot of marketing teams scrambling to learn how they can best incorporate AI technologies into their processes. That performance is kind of undeniable. As these organizations are understanding these benefits, it definitely leads to challenges. Say in the industry today, and there's obviously talent scarcity, there's issues with integration complexity internally, and then, of course, challenges with IT and adoption of AI in terms of, privacy and that the data that, how much of that are we exposing to AI and what are the implications of doing that, right? So, I mean, all those things are kind of barriers that you need to overcome, in the process. But, the performance is there. People are going to continue that adoption and move forward.
Yeah, yeah. And